Haynesworth Designs, and thank you so much for joining in. I am headed into a Dollar Tree because I am going to be making a wedding snack basket for a wedding that I will be attending short of notice. And so this gift must be cost effective, something that the couple will enjoy, and easy to make. So let's go inside and see what I can find. So they have these little jars here that would be really cute to personalize. And I guess it's just a matter of finding which one would be best. And so these are cute. A little top, and then these are larger. But I think I like this one. So I think I'll grab maybe 2 or 3 of these. And then these wine glasses here. They have a variety of them. I guess it's just a matter of which one that I prefer. I know I want something with a wide, because that's where the personalization would go. So I don't know if I want something like that. Or, oh, these are nice. I like these. Look at that one. So, oh, that's actually the same one that I picked up. Okay. So then I'll get 2 of these. And in the basket, I'm going to put some snacks. So these crackers would be nice. I'm thinking these, because I like the way the box looks. No, I don't like those. Yeah, I think I like this blue for some reason. I'll get these. Found another crackers with that blue. And since the theme of the wedding is blue, the gift basket pretty much is blue. Snacks that are in blue containers work well for this this trick. I don't know what these are. Popcorners. Popcorners. Okay. Then we have popcorn. I think this popcorn bag is just a little too big for the basket. It's just a little too big. And then peanuts. The thing is, I don't know if someone has a peanut allergy, so I want to stay clear away from that. And then we have the cheddar fries, or the hot cheddar fries. Oh, that would be fun. Because what it is just like a basket for movie night or cuddle night, or even on the honeymoon, hungry. So these chips, this is good. This is blue. And so it's a snack basket, really. So let's see what else we can find. And so I guess I'm kind of realizing how many things come in blue blue wrappings. I see these toffee popcorn. Only thing is I don't like the box. I think I'm going to get it though. Because in the event that it doesn't work, guess what? I can always eat it. And then I spotted these. Cute. And so far we got a nice snacks. Whole bunch of snacks with glue in it. So I think that we're good. Oh, maybe I should get some microwave popcorn. I'll get one. Can't hurt. Okay. So then, yeah. Okay, I think I have enough snacks for my snack wedding basket. But in the candy section, I came across these kisses, and these, I've never seen these. These are cookies and cream, and guess what? They have that glue. So this would be cute to fill up these little jars with. You know, put those in the little jar and then put their name on it. That would be very cute. I think it would be very cute. And let's see what else candy they have. And what about these peppermint patties? You can't go wrong with peppermint patties. Can't go wrong there. So I'm going to get 2 of each just so I know that I have enough. And there you go. Or maybe I should mix it. Maybe I should mix it. I don't know. I will mix it. It can't hurt. And so now I'm in the candle section, and I just think that these would be very cute to maybe put the name or something on the back of these, even though they're small. I think that they would be very cute though. And they also have blue, but I think I like the white ones better. Oh, they actually have these little tea candles as well. But it's something about those little jars. I think that they're just so cute. And I think that they would work very well. So I guess I'll get a couple of these. And I just came across these. These might actually work out better than the ones that I picked out. So I think I'm just going to let me grab one. I don't even think that I need 2. Just want to find one that doesn't look warped. Okay, so far I have a bunch of snacks, and probably I won't even use all of them, but I just rather have more snacks than I need, and I'm excited. I'm excited, and I actually bought a set of backup glasses just in case I mess up, and I'm really considering rethinking these little jars, but I think it would be very cute, and so I think I'm ready to head to the counter. Okay, so here is the finished product. And as you can see, it is packed with all those delicious snacks. Plus, we have those personalized wine glasses, and hiding behind there is a bottle of Moscato. And we have the milk chocolate and the cookies and cream kisses inside of the wine glasses, and they just sit nicely like that, as well as this personalized throw. And on the side here, we also added a personalized candle. And if you would like to see a quick tutorial on that candle, just let me know. And once again, it is packed with all of these snacks, a variety of snacks that also came from the Dollar Tree. And this basket itself was not entirely a Dollar Tree basket. As you can see, this large wicker basket did not come from there, as well as the throw, as well as the basket. As you can see, this large wicker basket did not come from there, as well as the throw, as well as the materials to make the heat transfer vinyl as well. However, 75 or even 80% of the basket did come from there, making it much substantially cheaper than my regular personalized gift baskets, and it came out just as nice. And so all we have to do next is wrap it, plus add that personalized ribbon that I made in the tutorial below. And so if you want to see the tutorial for the wine glasses, as well as the personalized throw and the personalized ribbon that is being added, simply click the link below. And once again, if you want to see a tutorial on this candle, just let me know and I will make a quick tutorial. Because it's very quick, these tutorials are less than 10 minutes. But that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell so you can be notified when I am uploading new videos. You can also come and visit me in the group Embroidery Boss on Facebook, where we are 12,000 members strong, and I am the president, as well as my website on Facebook, KandiaHaynesworth.com, and you can follow me on Instagram at Kandia Haynesworth. And until then, I'll see you next time.